got our membership, so let's shop. They got all the cute plants. They have all of the cute plants in here.
Did I see that correct? They always put the glasses down, like that's so necessary.
I don't know why they do that.
I don't know, but it always reminds people of teachers, so. This is crazy.
This is crazy. You have to do self-checkout at Costco.
Looks like we need to go back out and blur people's faces later, but that's fine.
Wow.
Oh, so these things really are loud, though.
11.99 credit 2.40 17.99
I don't like how loud.
$8.99
Stuff. The same price as something you normally buy.
$14.99
You see the tax?
What's the damage?
What damage?
What's the price?
Oh, 239 so far.
Okay, so I guess you were right. I think it would be over 350 though.